Hello, my name is Roguti Oleg. I'm the author of the ABC of Massage channel, and in this short video I will talk a little about this project. The ABC of Massage is a course of video tutorials that are primarily designed for beginner massage therapists and which are devoted to the theoretical and practical issues of the classical massage technique. The material for the lessons is taken from numerous sources that teach massage therapists in Russia, and therefore some points may look a bit unusual for viewers from other countries. I will say right away that just watching a video is unlikely to make you a professional massage therapist, because when you train in massage, regular practice should be the basis. This is about the same as it is impossible to learn to swim by reading only books. But I'm sure that having seen the lessons, you will find something new and interesting for yourself, and maybe even some of you will want to get acquainted with classical massage in more detail on real-life courses. You can support the channel by various methods. By the way, if you know Russian, you can view almost the same lessons on a similar Russian channel. And also you can help the channel by translating the subtitles for videos to other languages. Finally, I apologize in advance to English-speaking viewers for my English. I really work hard on it, and I think that as I work on the project, my English will gradually get better. And in case of problems with my pronunciation, there are subtitles in all videos. I hope the information will be interesting. See you at the lessons.